In this my video tutorial, I'm going to show the use of Eclipse IDE and also how we will create an project in Eclipse IDE, and also we create few Java files in that project. So let's start with Eclipse IID. Once you will open the Eclipse folder, you see the list of objects here, but we will open the object that is of an application type. So once you will click on this, you see like this, and now when once you will start like this, so there is a you have to select the workspace, and after that so workspace is just it's nothing but it's a project location where you want to store your project. And I suppose I want to store my project in F drive, and here I'm going to create a one folder like Eclipse projects, and whatever you want to give, it's give just according to your wish, and just okay, and use this as default, and do not ask again. So just click this option also. So once you will select it, it will take time to load. So this is the home screen of our Eclipse platform, or we can say this is a welcome page. Just close this welcome page, and this is the ID. This is what a project explorer. This is the outline. This is all the different windows. We'll use it later on as we move on further. And just right click on here and select project, or just click here and new and select project. And one thing you have to understand, there no ID will work without JDK installed in your machine. So make sure that once you are going to start with the any Eclipse IDE or any IDE, it makes sure that there must be a JDK installed, and it's better to be installed always a later version. So just click on this new, and let's select a project. So when project is there, just click on Java and Java project and select next. And this is what a name of your project. Give any relevant and meaningful name. Let's say this is my first project, and I'm giving the project name first, and I'm going to create this project in my workspace that I already selected, and my workspace is what? Eclipse projects. And rest of the options, let it be default. And just if you want to go next, then click on next, but no need to change any settings. So just click on finish. So understand this also, think that this is a usually this is a project J2SC. So that's why it's asking for the first time. Next time it will not ask about this. And now the project is there. So you can see, you can check that this is a first is my project name. src means it contains a source files, means .java files will reside in this folder src, and these are the libraries are associated with my project. So I'm using a jdk 7, so that's why it's coming JRE 7, Java Runtime Environment 7. Now click on src and just click on new and click on class. And name is what? Any meaningful name of your class, what would you like to give? And let's say I'm going to create a hello world class for the first time. So what you want to be class? Your public, default, final, or abstract? For the time being is public, and we know that in Java every class inherits from object class. So by default, for every it's either it's a user defined class or an inbuilt class, it's always be a all the classes inherits from object class. And if you want to create a public static void main function in this class, then check on this, otherwise no need to do anything. So if I want it, I'll click here and finish it. So this is my class structure. As we know that this is a public keyword, as we know we selected a public option there. A class is a keyword to create a class. Hello world is the name of my class, and this is a main function, and this is the body of a main function. So just I'm going to write a simple statement, system.out.println, and this is what, hello, this is my first program, and just every Java statement must terminates with a semicolon. And just right click on it and run on Java, run as Java application. Simple, it's very simple. So this is what we can say, hello, this is my first program. Next is what, in a single project we can define n number of classes and n number of main functions in classes, in different class. Like here is a one class like emp, I am taking a one class like emp, and in this class I don't want a main function should be there, so I'm just checking it and finish it. So this is employee class, and in employee class I'm going to take two attributes like name and int age. Now I want to generate a getter setter of these two attributes. Just I'll go the source, right click on the right click on within a class and select source and click on generate getter and setters. I want a getter and setter for both the attributes, then click on OK. So we'll get like this here. And if I want to use this class in some other class like in hello world, I'm just going to create an object like emp, and the object name is like xyz, any name of any object of emp, and I'm going to create an object like this. So by using a setter method we can set the object value, and by using a set name method we can set the name of, let it be any name. So if I want to system.out.println means if I want to see my output on next line, so I'll write like this, name is xyz, any object name dot get name. So set name is usually used for set the value of an object, and get name is used for get the value of an object. This is what we can say like a proper abstraction and encapsulation, and it's usually a good practice that if we set the object value through some method, and it's not a good practice if we want to set the if we set the value using a some some attributes. So always prefer to use method, so like this, and just right click on this and just run as a run on server. So you can see that some just run as and Java application. So this is what code because we set the value pd, and when we access the value like, so pd is there, name is pd, age is 20. So keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye.